Alright everyone, it's that time of the month again where we're able to unbox a cloth and paper sub box, and they were very gracious and conscientious of the fact that they said they had delays in the boxes getting everything out, and so there were times where we did have a video later than normal, but it is okay. I understand the shipping lags, no harm. Alright, toss that box aside. Okay, so this was one that came with pens, and it does have a bibliophile theme, which is going to be a lot of fun to go through. So we'll start with one of these bags. Now, I've told you before, that I do have 3 sub boxes because of 3 sizes, because 2 I was using as I was figuring out what I was going to use, and then now I'm kind of homing in on the sizes that are going to be my tried and true, so I might cut it down to 2, but it also means I have a lot of extras, so like I definitely wouldn't need 3 of these because I'm going to be getting 3 of these in my sub boxes. But does this come out? Oh, it does. So you can have it this way, and this comes with like little pouchies, and the inside little pouchies, and it buttons, lots of itty bitty little things to go in there. I don't know what would go in there, but it's a really cute bag. There's a back pocket, a front pocket, but maybe for deco. So it could hold a lot. And I'm going on vacation next week, so maybe I'll take that with me. So put that aside. These markers or highlighters I'm super interested in. So a full pack of those is kind of nice. So I will, let's see, oh, they're dual-sided. Let's do all the pens at the same time, maybe. I love this subscription. I should show you a photo of all the pens that I've been able to collect over time just in the boxes. But don't look at my photo. That's okay. If you know, you know. And if you're watching this, you probably know. So that's a lot of, if you get the pen subscription box, there's a lot coming to you this month. So they're kind of more like a marker. Oh, that's interesting. That end. It's kind of a neat vibe. So you get a bunch of colors. Green's pretty. So a lot of all the neutral tones. So that's what we're going to see. I like the dual tip. And then the little red cap on these is sometimes the bane of my existence, because it seems like so unnecessary. I've broken pens doing this, so it's not something I usually do on video. But like, that's how hard that is to come off, so we might not look at this pen, because let's just face it, how much fun is it to watch me do that on camera? Alright, very, very thin, fine writing. I like the swishy handle. Gel pen. Looks pretty. There's a few more. Sometimes they throw in like mechanical pencils, which I haven't seen in a while. We often get highlighters, but like bigger ones. Ooh, this writes really nice. And a fine tip. Icebreaker pen. Like that. That's really pretty. Alright, I've got a few others. This is a chunky one. Do you guys remember the pens? And it'll show my age as a proud millennial here, but the pens where you could like click down all the different tops and you would get a different color. Like in one pen you got a red pen, blue, black, and like green. And you were like too cool for school if you had one of those. That's what this size reminds me of. but I like it. I like that pen. This looks like one I would break. So let's see. Super, super fine, a little scratchy. So I don't know how I feel about that. It's called a silent pen, and it was the one that made scratchy noises. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about that one. I like the way this looks. It's very pretty. It feels good when you grip it. They're all it seem to be all fine pens this month. I don't see a name. Type 5, that's surprising. But that's, I don't know, that one feels pretty good for the pens. And we'll see. So that's that. I'll put that aside, all those aside. We'll stick them in here for now and not back into the container. Alright, so that takes care of that. What do we got? I like the green novella, little itty bitty novel. I like it. If you're an avid reader, let me know, because I'm gonna have a bunch of duplicates of some of this stuff. Like, I'm not sure why novella would go as a placeholder, like a bookmark. It's cute. I don't know. I don't know about it as a page marker, but I really like this. It says novella as well, but it's a really pretty, like, I feel like I've been there and I've seen those rocks on that shore before. It's really beautiful. It has Ernest Hemingway vibes, but I really like it. So I would definitely be putting that in my planner. This is how I open this. I don't know. Maybe it's just like the color palette and the bookmark. Oh, there we go. I always like these, and I tell myself I'm going to use them, and I don't, but I will. Let's see. Metanoia, the journey of changing one's mind, heart, self, or way of life. I love it. I want to know how she finds these words to be like the theme, because I find it's pretty amazing. I really like that. I like the color. The blush looks really pretty with the green. It's very cool. This is a bibliophile bundle, and I don't know what these inserts look like. But this would be cute if you had like a small personal planner and you tracked it just for books. Book log, title, synopsis, author, genre, date, page, I guess a little scoring, ranking, and that's it, just for books. Index, moment, maybe just favorite moments from the books, page number. I like it. Vocabulary you learn, imagine that, just talking about how she finds the vocabulary. I like that. This would be a neat insert or a gift if you're thinking of a gift for someone that likes books. I always come back to this compact Saffiano from Filofax. I mean, that would be a really cute gift together, to get like a bundle and an itty bitty compact planner. This was pretty cheap, I want to say in the 30s. And that would be such a cute gift. And now that we're coming into like the holiday season, September 1st is when I'm filming this. So it's like, okay, hurry up and be fall already. So that's a cute insert. I do a lot of audiobooks, so I'd have to do like timestamps. But going to the beach, I do a lot of reading, hardcover. Last year when we went for a week, I read 4 books, which was really nice. So I'm looking forward to reading next week. This comes in each subscription. Let's see, goals, intentions, month, week. I'm still not a super fan of the layout though. I keep wanting to see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but I don't see it that way. Still a good layout. if you're all about this personal size insert for the week and month, let me know. I have a couple of backdated months too, but if this is something you're keen on, let me know in the comments if you stuck around this long and you want the vertical weekly layout for September and October. Let me know. I'll send you the 2022 September, October inserts for personal. But just, I don't know, leave a comment about your fave things and, you know, why you like chilling and watching the videos. And as long as you're in the US, I'll just ship them out for you. A couple of folks from Australia commented that they found me and can't get cloth and paper. Also, leave me a comment. We'll see what we can do about shipping something out to Australia for you. I've never shipped to Australia, so that'd be a first. Annotation increases engagement with content. Helps you to read actively and avoids skimming. Builds a better understanding of a book and author. Highlighting, noting, drawing. So it sounds like what everyone did likely in school was taught. I like the way this looks. In the case of good books, the point is not to see how many of them you can get through, but how many can get through you. Brilliant! That's the cutest thing ever and belongs on a mug. Softer sign. Soundness of mind, characterized by moderation, self-control, and prudence. That's really pretty on the back. I'm really liking the vibes. The bibliophile and the words just totally go together this month. Duo sticky notes. You can make this whatever you want, which I love. I like that layout. It's very versatile. And then I love these page flags. They are the cutest, absolute cutest. And these are my favorite. Save these for last. The read sticky notes. You can keep this in your book. It looks like an old school library card. It's genius. You can keep that in your book and move it. Use it as a bookmark. Use it as a note-taking. Transfer it to your bibliophile inserts. You can do a lot of things with it. But that, my friends, my lovelies, is the cloth and paper subscription box this month. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Let me know in the comments what content you'd like to see more of, or what any questions you may have. I'm happy to answer them. I try to get through them as quickly as possible. But with that, my friends, I will see you in the next one, and I hope you have a great week ahead.